Leaders of the National Resistance Movement have urged supporters to turn up in large numbers on the 15th as the party intensifies mobilization efforts. Speaking at the event, the Speaker of Parliament, Honorable Anita Among, presented an accountability report on funds dispersed to leaders, mainly through the circles.
You have promised that you will provide them with the transport because that is their problem. All the leaders. So told them that you put 15 million shillings per parish for the leaders who are here. And Your Excellency, I have also told them about the increase of money for the LOC ones from 10,000 to 100,000.
Right on. Alhaji Moses Chigongo, the National Vice Chairman of the National Resistance Movement, urged residents to mobilize and turn up in large numbers on the 15th.
Netuberaga fedda tuli wamu okunoonya akalulu akatuzza mu buyinza. Bwe bunaba mukoze ekyo ga 15 buli muntu atambule aleeta abantu bangi tukuba akalulu ekyaffe nga tukimaze katulirira binaddirira.
While delivering his speech, the NRM presidential flag bearer Yoweri Kaguta Museveni said the NRM government had restored peace in Uganda, a development he noted has contributed to the national growth and attracted investors to the country.
Which the bishops talked about, the other religious leaders talked about. Even without doing other things, by just bringing peace, we have been able to bring development into the country. You can see the family of the Madvanis, they are here now. But all this had run away, and the sugarcane was bush. The families, Ugandan families, not only the investors, but even other families. So when you see all this development, it is because of that peace.
He further revealed that wealth creation is key to uplifting people out of poverty. He rejected issues of tribalism and religion, noting that NRM does not align itself with such divisions, and called on citizens to embrace patriotism and love for their country.
The NRM said, you people, you are talking about tribes and the religion. Are you not stepping in our plate of Uganda? Because we need Uganda. So that's why we said principle number 1 of the NRM is patriotism. Why? We need it for our prosperity. But secondly, even the internal market of Uganda is not enough because our production has gone up. If you take sugar, our production is now 700,000 tons. The internal demand is only 300,000. So we've got a surplus of 400,000. And who is helping us? East Africa. They are the ones buying our surplus sugar.
He added that sectarian politics had also damaged the country, leading to the failure to build a political party that unites all Ugandans and Africans.
The NRM says, please, don't listen to any nonsense about sectarian politics. Now, that's why, so when we say peace, 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 it is because we came with the politics of unity. We were able to form a political party that unites Uganda,
n'amagye agalimu agagaita Uganda yona
police,
ne poliisi egaita Uganda,
civil service,
n'abakozi abagaita Uganda yona,
judiciary, that's how we got peace,
kyova tulina emirembe,
which is not there in all these other countries.